Welcome to part 1 to the rebuild series on this stolen 2020 R6. So a bit of background, ended up getting this bike through Copart. The bike was located in Graham, Washington. I ended up losing to another R6 that day, and I already planned to go to Washington that Friday, so I tried looking on IAAI, and then I went on Copart, and I saw this was playing the next day on Thursday. And so you'll see the clip rolling right now probably on it playing. So my max bid was $7,000.
Wait.
And so when it was playing live, I saw it went for $7,100. And so at first I thought, I lost. I didn't get the bike because my max was 7,000. But 4 hours later, my broker texts me and he's like, "Hey, yo, you won the bike." I'm like, "Oh, great! I just told my boss I don't need tomorrow off anymore." And so right when he told me, I scheduled a trailer from U-Haul and left work an hour early, packed all our things, and off we went.
Two hours later. Moments later. Many minutes later. Five hours later.
So after 16 hours and 2 hours of sleeping on the side of the road, we ended up getting to Copart and Graham. End up going inside, paying for the bike, getting a receipt, and then, I had to go to the bathroom, so I asked, "Is there a bathroom?" She says, "Yeah, it's behind the warehouse." So I walk around the corner, through some double doors. There's a line of bikes. I was like, "Wait, is that the R6? So I got my phone out. I didn't know because someone was coming to grab it, so I didn't want to go up to it and start fiddling with it. So I go up to it, get some shots of it. I was like, "Oh, that's the bike." And I just go to the bathroom, and then the dude comes around and then walks it out. And then, took some shots and then rolled it to the truck.
So the steering's broken, huh? The steering lock is broken. Yeah, I'll do it. Yeah.
right then, let's take a break.
We need to get out of here now.
So that's it. We know it's got a jerry-rigged ignition, the gas cap key is screwed, the rear seat lock is screwed, there's no fender, the battery's flat, remove all the stickers off the bike, and so far that looks to be it. So in part 2 we'll go ahead and address it and start working on this thing.